Have you ever felt as if a part of you has been stolen after interacting with someone? That may not be your imagination. Energy vampires, narcissists, psychopaths are very real, and they don't wear a badge. In our last episode, I showed you how to spot these toxic influences using your pendulum, but that's just step one. Today, I'd like to take a look at how, having recognized these people, to make a clean break and clear yourself from their energetic grip before they drag you down. You're not imagining it. Some people do leave you agitated, drained, exhausted, or emotionally off balance. And it's not just their personality, it's the energy they bring with them. The problem is that we have no idea how this all works and fits together. But life experience teaches us that narcissists, manipulators, sociopaths, psychopaths are alive and well. And the only protection against such beings is our ability to resist. Most of the time it is easier to deal with the invisible spirit entities than with the human parasites. Due to our total lack of education, therefore zero training, and preference to believe that people are good, we leave ourselves wide open, easy meat for the unscrupulous. Recognizing toxic people is only half the battle. The real power lies in avoiding them before they infect and destroy your life. You can identify them yourself using the pendulum and chart provided, or consult a skilled radiesthetist who can pinpoint exactly who you're dealing with. That's where our service, Intuitive Recon, comes in. It's designed for those moments when your intuition goes quiet or your usual methods, pendulum, muscle testing, O-ring test, just won't give you a straight answer. Let's be real. What's their agenda? Why does that unease keep tugging at you? Are you too close to see things clearly? This service provides a neutral, clear second opinion. Not advice, not interference, just a direct line to truth, so you can move forward with confidence. You can ask anything, but be warned, can you face the answer? Most people avoid asking because they already suspect the truth. This is for the courageous, for those who insist on knowing and won't move forward until they've uncovered what's really going on. All you need to provide is your name and date of birth, or a photo, and your question. I'll ask on your behalf and share exactly what comes through. The first step in the protection process is avoidance. Do not have anything to do with these toxic people once you have discovered their true nature. Even with the best will in the world, you will not win. Their entire existence depends on their ability to dominate. So the sole solution is flight if you wish to survive. And remember, if your pendulum gives mixed signals when asking about others, you don't have to figure this out alone. The Intuitive Recon Service is here to help, especially when things feel murky or emotionally charged. The link is in the description below. If this episode resonated with you, hit like and follow. Protecting your energy field is a daily practice. Keep clearing, keep shielding, and keep setting those strong, sovereign boundaries. Stay grounded, stay protected, and keep your light shiny. Bye.